Alright, DME low profile oil pan. We took the cross bar, which transfers oil. It has two O-rings on it, right here and there, and the pressure relief valve from the stock oil pan, and we put it into the DME oil pan using Loctite. Inspected both the O-rings, one on this side and one down on that side, so we know they're good. Then DME asks you to go through all these little Allen bolts and make sure that they're tight and that they have Loctite in them. So this is a two-piece oil pan, so once you take it apart, you realize there's another 4 set here, and then under here there's 2 more. Up there's 2 more, so you go through that, and once you have all that done, it's time to install it on the bike. Alright, so the first section is installed. Swivel is in. Once again, it's just 2 little Allen bolts right there, and then another one over here on the other side, and that holds in the first layer. Now come over here and install the second layer. This is my 2019 ZX10. I just installed the low profile oil pan from DME. This is my SC Project exhaust, which I'm not going to be using anymore, but I just wanted to see if it would work, but it does not. It hits. This other oil pan has a big old notch in it so that exhaust can fit underneath of it. It also has this spot for the oil filter to go on. When you go to the DME oil pan, you take off your oil cooler, and they give you this adapter plate, and you have to put your oil filter up here now. Here's the rest of it so you can see what it looks like. The drain plug is on the right or the left side where the kickstand is at. It's kind of nice. You can lean it over and get all your oil out. But you will have to either cap this off, because that's coolant hose that used to go over to the oil cooler. It's no longer functioning, so I'm gonna cut that and have somebody weld that. And then over here on this other side, there's an elbow, 45-degree elbow that has a Y that comes off of it. I'm going to try to get another elbow. But in case you're wondering, if you get this low pro oil pan, if your exhaust that you currently have that sweeps underneath the bottom will work, I don't know what exhaust will work, but I do know that the SC Project headers and collector will not work unless you did some hammering on it, which I wouldn't recommend. But I'm going to be getting the Brock's exhaust anyways, which comes out the side of the bike right here, which is better anyways, because why put the low pro oil pan on there and then put a header underneath of it? Then you kill all that room that you just gained to lower the bike and to add clearance. So there it is.